Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing my recipe for taro pudding, a delicious sweet treat which can be enjoyed hot or cold. Please join me in this short video and I'll share my easy instant pot recipe. For the ingredients have taro root, long grain glutinous rice, water, salt, pandan leaves, sugar, vanilla sugar, pandan paste, and tapioca starch. For the coconut sauce have coconut milk, water, sugar, salt, and tapioca starch. For this recipe I'm using frozen taro root. The taro root is peeled and vacuum sealed in these convenient packages. Simply thaw the taro root before using. Rinse the taro root under cold running water. Pat dry with a paper towel. Cut into slices about 3/4 inch thick. Next, cut into cubes. Transfer into a steamer basket. Into the inner pot, add 1 cup hot water. Add the steamer basket with the taro root. Cover with a pressure cooking lid. Set the handle to sealing. Set to high pressure cook for 1 minute. When the cook time is completed, manually release the pressure. The taro root should be tender but not mushy. You should be able to easily pierce it with a toothpick. Remove the steamer basket from the inner pot and set aside for now. Wash the inner pot, dry well, and then place back into the cradle. Wash the glutinous rice by swirling in cold water for 30 seconds and then pouring out the rinse water. Repeat this process 1 or 2 more times or until the water is mostly clear. Transfer the washed rice into the inner pot. Add the salt and water. Use a spatula or spoon to spread the rice into an even layer. These were frozen pandan leaves. They're thawed and thoroughly washed. Fold the leaves into a small bundle. Use another small leaf to tie everything together. Transfer the leaves into the pot. Cover with a lid and set the handle to sealing. Set to high pressure cook for 5 minutes. After the cook time is completed, manually release the pressure. Remove and discard the pandan leaves. Looking at the glutinous rice, it's cooked just right. The grains are fluffy but not bloated. Add sugar and the vanilla sugar. If you don't have vanilla sugar, use half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Gently combine everything together. Add the pandan paste. Again, gently combine together. Add the taro root. Stir together, again very gently, being careful not to break up the taro root or mash the rice. In this last step, combine the tapioca starch and water. Stir until the mixture is smooth. Add to the pudding and combine together. Use the saute button with the less or lowest heat setting. When the pudding starts to bubble, in about 2 to 3 minutes, cancel the saute mode. This is all that's needed to cook the tapioca starch mixture. To make the coconut sauce, in a small saucepan, add the coconut milk, water, sugar, salt, and tapioca starch. Whisk together, combining everything well. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally. In about 3 to 4 minutes, the sauce should start to boil gently. At this time, turn off the heat. Continue stirring for 1 more minute, letting the sauce thicken. The coconut sauce continues to thicken as it cools. To serve this wonderful taro pudding, transfer a generous amount into a bowl. Drizzle the creamy coconut sauce on top. The taro root has a deliciously mealy texture. The rice pudding is creamy and perfectly sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.